In January, I made $5,269.15 from off of ads revenue, brand connect, and membership on YouTube. Today, I'm going to show you my ads revenue, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can achieve these goals for yourself as well. A lot of people don't know that you can actually make money on YouTube. And even the people that know don't believe that you can make this much money. Now, one thing that has helped me, like I always tell you guys, is my brand, right? I have created a brand around myself and people always want to work with me. The next thing that I do is that my niche is a high paying niche. I teach stay-at-home moms how to make money, and financial organizations, companies advertise on my videos. So my CPM is quite higher than a lot of people. So let's go into my computer and I'm going to show you my ads revenue. All right, we're here in my computer and we're here in my YouTube studio. So we're going to go to my analytics, okay? And we're going to go to revenue. And I'm going to click over here and do January. All right, so you can see January, I'm expecting YouTube as of February 21st. I'm expecting YouTube to send me $5,269. And this is my ads revenue. Like I said, brand connect. You guys know that there's brand connect on YouTube where YouTube connects you with brands and then you partner with those brands and then they pay you through YouTube. Now, I found this to be useful. However, you don't get paid as much as when the brands contact you like directly off of YouTube. However, it's more secure, right? And I like the fact that it adds to my ads revenue. Like I can see it. Right? If we go here and we go to February, today is February the 3rd, and as of today, I have $111. Now, the thing is that a lot of people do not know how to make money on YouTube. And this is the reason I'm here on YouTube. The first part of my job is to teach side hustle moms how to make side hustle money, right? And then to teach you how to monetize your YouTube channel. All right. First of all, the first thing that I've done, like I told you guys, is my niche is a high CPM niche. The other thing that I've done is that I've branded myself in such a way that brands want to work with me. The way I create my videos, the things that I say in my videos, right? The way that I carry myself, right? And the way that I create my thumbnails, everything, integrity and all of that. And that is what I'm going to be teaching you. Now, one thing that helped me is the brand partnership. And this is like a major source of income for my YouTube journey. Now, one thing that I've done is I've made sure that my niche is a high CPM niche. So the brands that want to work with me are financial organizations, insurance organizations, and we all know that those people pay more. Now, another thing that I've done is my media kit. First of all, YouTube will give you a media kit that you can work with, right? But I have fine-tuned that. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fine-tune your media kit, how to create a media kit that works. Another thing is to pitch to brands. A lot of people don't know how to pitch to brands. You just type an email. And listen, I know you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you brand pitches, which I also use a lot of time, but there are some tweaks that you need to tweak into it. There are some keywords that you need to use that will make the brands want to work with you. Okay. Another thing is negotiating rates. A lot of people don't know how to negotiate their rates when they're working with brands. Like you get scared. Maybe when a brand reaches out to you, you feel scared and you're like, oh my God, I'm so privileged and all of that. And that makes people scared to negotiate their rates. Now, don't look at your channel and say, okay, maybe I have just 200 views. Brands want to work with you. Brands know exactly what they're gaining from you. Okay. And then I will teach you how to negotiate your rates. I'll teach you how to build that as well. I'll teach you how to create every single thing you need to get started. Also, memberships. Like I have a lot of members in my membership. I think I don't know, I can count. But if I check, I have a lot of members in my membership here on YouTube, and a lot of people keep joining. By the way, if you're a member of my channel, I'm going to be going live with you every Friday. So if you're not yet a member of my channel, consider joining. I think it's just $2.99 every month. All right. I'm going to be going live with my members every Friday, and this will help you with more visibility, like putting yourself out there to more people. All right. And this is super amazing. So I'm going to teach you your pricing strategy, which has worked for me tremendously. I'm going to teach you how to promote your channel such that these brands will see you not only on YouTube, but everywhere. Like, you put yourself in their faces. Another thing that has helped me is my content strategy. As you guys know, I stay consistent. Like, I almost post every day. And a lot of people underestimate this. Now, one thing that has helped me with is sometimes I get 200 views on a video. Other times I get 300 views. Other times I get 1,000 views. Now, imagine that I post a video today and I get 200 views and then I leave it there, right? Tomorrow, I don't have any views. Next tomorrow, I don't have any views, right? So I try to post every day. And I make sure that these videos are valuable so that people will want to watch them. So even if 200 people watch them, I'm getting ads revenue for that. Even if 200 people watch them, like, the brands can see that I'm showing up consistently. So even though they don't have 10,000 views from me in one day, they can see that they can have 200 views from me or 500 views from me every single day consistently, right? So a lot of people will say, like, there's no need for you to post every day, or there's no need for you to be consistent with your posting like 3 times weekly, but it also helps brands trust you a lot more. Another thing that it does is that it helps people reach out to me a lot to get coached for YouTube. Now, the thing is that there's a lot of things that I like to do, like you as well, right? There are a lot of things that you like to do, but when people see you and they see that you're knowledgeable in a particular thing, right, they start to reach out to you. Now, people reach out to me for brand partnership, like I said, and people reach out to me for coaching as well. Another thing that helped me is engagement with my subscribers. Now, the brands can see that I engage with my subscribers. So they see that you're someone that is approachable. They see that you're someone that people want to work with. They see that you're someone that loves people, right? Rather than someone that doesn't respond. And people like that, they're easy to convert, right? It's easy to get conversions from people like that. So that's one thing. Another thing that makes people want to work with me. Now, if you want to learn more about building your own personal brand, to put yourself out here in such a way that brands will want to work with you, I want you to go head over to the link in my description box. I'll also be linking it in the comment section, and work with me. I offer payment plans as well, so you can pay in 4 installments, right? And I can coach you. This coaching is 4 live classes where I would coach you on how to build your content strategy. I'll coach you on the things you need to be saying when you're making your videos. I'll teach you how to build your personal brand so that brands will want to work with you. I'll teach you how to do all of these things. I'll also build an online store for you, and we'll equip that store with products right from the get-go, as high as 5 products, so that it will get you started. I'll also help you build a lead magnet to help you gather emails, right, for people, so that you can go ahead and start with your email marketing on the get-go. Now, listen, this is an investment that you don't want to miss, all right? If making money off of YouTube is your goal, as you can see, I have just a little over 8,000 subscribers, but you can see how much I'm making. So imagine when I have like 100,000 subscribers, imagine how much I'll be making. My aim is to make 6 figures this year, like I told you guys, and I intend to bring you guys along with me. So if this is something you would like to do, head over to the description box now and secure your own spot, right? I'm not open for everybody because this is a one-on-one coaching thing, so I cannot take too many people. But once the 10 slots are filled, I'm going to be closing it. So head over to the description box, go ahead and schedule your own. Like I said before, there are payment plans that will make it easier for you to pay. And listen, I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. This is thetobyrich.